friends, it's Miss Melanie, and I am going to be making the slime that you have in your to-go kit. So I've already poured my glue into the bowl. You need any kind of bowl. It can be a bowl that you just wash later. The slime will come out. I have paper bowls. I did not send one home with you. If you are a person who got the big Tupperware container, you can do your slime in that bowl. If you got the little jar and there's glue all the way to the top, you're not going to be able to do your slime in that bowl. So get your bowl, pause me if you need to. You're going to pour all of the glue into the bowl and you're going to get a spoon. You're going to start stirring your glue and you are going to grab the little container that has a number 2/3 on the lid. So dump the powder in, that's baking soda, and just set that aside. Now I'm gonna stir the baking soda in. I'm gonna go really, really fast. You just pause it whenever you need to. So baking soda stirred in. I would have stirred some more. Get water. Pour your water into the very same cup that the baking soda was in. When I'm pouring my water, I'm actually going almost all the way to the tippy top, and then I'm gonna pour it in. So now that I have it in my bowl, ooh, I am not good at this. You are going to stir. As you stir it this time around, you want to be super duper careful because you don't want to slosh it over the edge. And so you can see how I'm kind of smashing the glue and I'm turning my bowl. I also will take my glue and I will go up and down, but you want the baking soda, the water, and the glue to all be one solid mix. Solid's probably not the right word. We don't know. Whew. All right, now you should have a number 4. Number 4, you should have 2 of them. So we've done number 1 was the glue, number 2 was the baking soda, 2 and 3, that third one was the water. So that was step 3. Now, I happen to have green paint. This is glow in the dark paint. I can use my spoon. I want to get all of the glow in the dark paint into my bowl. Now, to save time, I'm going to go ahead and put my glitter in as well. Somewhere in your bag, either in a container or you might have it separately, like in a tube of glue. It's glitter glue, which is friendlier for parents because parents, you don't have to worry about glitter going everywhere. It's already contained inside the glue. So I happen to have gold. Some of you have purple, some of you have pink, and on and on. If you want to use the glitter on top of like a wood project, save a little bit. Do not put the glitter on your pottery though, okay? So glitter glue. Got it, scooping it in. And now is when I'm taking, and this is when you can really tell if you haven't mixed because this time around, you won't have any white. So any like streaks or marbling, sorry, I'm gonna unhook this. When you look at mine, I still have clumps and streaks and marbling. And so what I want to do is I want to stir this until those are gone. So I am going to stir, 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 stir. And again, like I said, I'm going to do mine kind of sloppy just so that we can move on. Last container you have. So number 4, you should have had 2 number 4s. That looks weird when you pull it out of the bag, but I wanted to make it's 5 steps. This is your activator. Do not pour the entire thing in there. Pour in a little bit at a time. Set it down, start stirring. Now I will say my glitter is still clumpy. I'm not that worried about it because honestly, I'm just trying to do this for you as fast as I can. So I am already starting to get some clumps, but my glue is pretty runny. I'm gonna add a little bit more. You want to go slowly, little bitty bits at a time, because if you go too fast, you will overactivate your slime. Now, if you do overactivate your slime, there's a couple things that you can do. You can take more glue. It can be white glue or clear glue. You can add a little bit at a time. That's generally what I do for a slime fix. I know there are like videos and things that say, I almost spilled that over because I was going to try to show you. All right, mine is really starting to clump up. I love it. Now, I'm going to add some more because it's still not into one solid mass. It's still in a liquid form. When I'm doing this, I usually know it's ready when it no longer sticks to the side of the bowl. So if I am lifting it up and I still have a puddle down at the bottom, it's not ready and I want to add just a little bit more. So mine is super duper close. I'm going to show you the last little trick. I have about half of my Stay Flow. I forgot to take my ring off. I'm gonna take it off and set it to the side. I'm sticking my fingers into the activator. That was number 5. I'm gonna rub it on my hand like lotion, just so that when I go in to touch the slime doesn't stick to me. So now I pull and my hand is in there. I had a napkin to wipe my hands on. It will not come off the napkin, so I'm just gonna pour it onto the table. My table has a tablecloth on it, but look, I've got it all mixed in. Now here's the deal with the slime. Until you really get it out and start working with it, you are not going to be completely done. Because you have to make sure all the glue and everything is completely mixed. But once you've got it all mixed, you've got some really awesome glow-in-the-dark slime. So the glow-in-the-dark part, you do have to activate it. The way you activate it is like what we did back in the 80s when I was a kid. You put a flashlight on it. You've got a flashlight on a cell phone. You can also put it under a lamp. You have to let it sit under a flashlight for about a good 5 minutes. Then you can go into a dark room. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't, put it under a flashlight a little bit longer. And so my favorite thing to do, blow bubbles. Unfortunately, it gets in my hair. I'm gonna try this one more time. Ready? That was a nice big bubble. Have fun playing with your slime, everybody. Would love to have pictures sent to me of you playing with your slime. Bye.